Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Forest app error code 500. This error appears with a server connection message and usually shows up while using the Forest app. Once the error pops up, it starts showing multiple times throughout the app, including in the support section. In some cases, the support section may also display a 404 error. Also, some users have also reported getting this error when trying to buy wishes. According to our research, this is a server-side issue and there's nothing you can do from your end to fix it. The error needs to be resolved by the developers. As this is a server issue, the only thing you can do is wait. Simply close the app and try again after a few hours. If the error continues for too long, then restart your device and ensure your internet is working normally, as well as also check for any pending app updates. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.